Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create engaging conversations with italki, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create engaging conversations on italki, first, log into your italki account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up to get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to the conversations section. Select a language you want to practice. Look for available language partners who are interested in conversation exchanges. You can filter partners by language skills, interests, and availability to find the right match. Send a message to introduce yourself and express your interest in having a conversation. Be clear about your language goals and what topics you would like to discuss. Once you receive a response, schedule a time that works for both you and your partner. Prepare a list of conversation prompts or topics you would like to cover. During the conversation, start with light topics to build comfort and rapport. Encourage your partner to share their insights and ask questions to keep the conversation flowing. If there's a language barrier, don't hesitate to use translation tools as needed. Make sure to actively listen and show genuine interest in what your partner is saying. Take notes of new vocabulary or phrases that come up during your discussion. After the conversation, ask your partner for feedback on your language skills. Follow up with a thank you message and suggest future conversation exchanges if you enjoyed the interaction. Finally, continue to practice regularly to improve your conversational skills over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.